Do you sometimes feel like money slips through your fingers, no matter how much you earn? Do you want more control, less financial stress, and finally build a solid foundation for your future? The truth is, it's often not about drastic measures, but about small, consistent habits that, added together, make a huge difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into 5 powerful financial habits you can apply immediately. No complex theories, no quick tricks. Just proven strategies that will help you manage your money smarter and create the financial future you deserve. Stay tuned, because the last habit might just be the most valuable one. Let's start with a habit that seems so simple, yet is so often overlooked. Check your accounts weekly. Most people check once a month when their salary comes in. But by then, it's often too late to correct impulse purchases or mistakes. By checking weekly, even just 5 to 10 minutes, you'll have your finger on the pulse of your spending. You'll immediately spot where your money is going, if there are any unauthorized charges, and you can quickly adjust. It's like a weekly financial weigh-in. You see where you stand and can adjust your course in time. It provides a huge sense of control. Think about it. Small, unseen expenses pile up. A forgotten subscription here, a double charge there. Checking weekly tackles this before it becomes a major problem. It's proactive, not reactive. The second habit is an absolute game changer. Pay yourself first. What does that mean? As soon as your salary hits your account, a fixed amount automatically goes to your savings account or investments before you pay other bills or spend money on fun things. Most people save what's left at the end of the month. The problem? Often, nothing is left. By paying yourself first, you force yourself to save and invest, no matter what happens that month. The beauty of this is that it can be fully automated. Set up an automatic transfer for the day your salary comes in. That way, you don't even have to think about it. Your savings grow without you feeling like you're missing out on anything. This not only creates a financial buffer, but also lays the foundation for real wealth building. You're no longer saving if there's anything left. You're saving because it's a priority. Moving on to the third habit. Always look for better deals. We tend to stick with existing subscriptions and services, often for convenience. But loyalty is not always rewarded. In fact, it often costs you money. Take some time each year to review your fixed expenses, your internet subscription, your insurance, your energy bill, your mobile phone plan. Compare prices, call your current provider, and ask if they can give you a better offer. You'll be amazed at how much you can save. Every dollar you save here is a dollar you can save, invest, or spend on something you truly value. It's the every penny counts mentality. This isn't about being stingy, but about smart financial management. Why pay more for something you can get cheaper elsewhere, or even negotiate? This habit can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars a year. The fourth habit helps you avoid major financial pitfalls. Plan your big purchases. I'm talking about that expensive phone, a new car, or that dream vacation. The temptation to buy these items impulsively and then take out a loan for them is strong. But this is often the fastest way to debt and regret. Instead, plan ahead. Save specifically for these big purchases. Do you want a new phone in a year? Calculate what you need to put aside each month. Do your research. Compare models and prices. And wait until you have the money. This not only gives you financial peace of mind, but also the freedom to find the best deal without pressure. It not only prevents unnecessary debt, but also forces you to consider if you truly need that purchase and if it's worth saving for. It's a powerful way to be mindful of your money. And now for the fifth and perhaps most underestimated habit. Continuously invest in yourself. This is your biggest, most valuable asset. I'm not just talking about financial literacy here, although that's crucial. Read books on personal finance, take online courses to learn new skills, or network with people who can inspire you and help you grow. Skills that increase your income are direct investments in your financial future. The more you know about money, the better decisions you'll make. The more valuable your skills are, the more income streams you can generate, or the faster you'll advance your career. This is investing with the highest return. Consider this. The financial world is constantly changing. By continuing to develop yourself, you stay relevant, find new opportunities, and increase your potential to become financially independent. You are investing in yourself as the architect of your financial success. There you have them. 5 powerful financial habits that can change your life. Let's briefly recap them one more time. 1. Check your accounts weekly for instant overview and control. 2. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings and investments. 3. Always look for better deals. Save hundreds of dollars on your fixed expenses. 4. Plan your big purchases. Prevent debt and make conscious expenditures. 5. Continuously invest in yourself. Your biggest asset for growth and income. Building financial discipline is a journey, not a destination. It's about small, consistent steps. Start with one of these habits today and see the difference in your wallet and your peace of mind. Which financial habit will you tackle first? I'm incredibly curious to hear your answer. Let me know in the comments below. Did you find this video valuable? Then please like it, subscribe to my channel for more practical financial tips, and share this video with someone who also wants to get smarter with money. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.